Question 455. The Child Marriage Restraint Act 1929 prescribes the age limit for marriage as option A 18 years for male and 16 years for female, option B 21 for male, 18 for female, option B 16 male, 14 female, or option D 18 for both. Correct answer is option B 21 years for male and 18 years for female. Child Marriage Restraint Act 1929, popularly known as the Sarda Act after its sponsor Rai Saheb Harbidal Sarda to the British India legislature in India, was passed on 28 September 1929, fixed the age of marriage for girls to 14 years and boys to 18 years, which was later amended to 18 for girls and 21 for boys.